Hello guys, I will show you the TV wall mount. Before showing, I will request you please like and subscribe my channel for more updates. I'm showing I buy this TV wall mount from the flipkart.com at a price of 441. The link also given below in the description. You can buy this thing from the given link. This is Solo brand. You can mount only the TV ranges between 26 inches to 55 inches, not more than 55 inches. You can mount it. The company is the German certified. The screws is provided. Screws, nuts. Mounting on the wall. So rod. Now I will show how it looks after mounting on the wall.